So, hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to make a small review on this device here, right here. It's a on streaming box, Android streaming box that you can use to stream games and Netflix and all that. So it converts your TV. Maybe it doesn't have recent. It's not a smart TV, so this helps convert. You can see the remote here, and it has a mic here. So let me turn it on and see. So once you have turned this on, this uses type C. So that's the home screen. You have your apps here. So you got your apps right there. Let me navigate here. So this device supports 4K streaming. So when I go back to YouTube, you search 8K or 4K HDR. It skips away. So when you go to settings, you can see the quality is 2160p. So that's 4K, because normally it will be on 1080p, 1440p, then this 2160, which is 4K. And then so that's good for streaming. Go back to home. I have some streaming apps. I can open these, get some channels here. So exit.